Kia ora, my name is Laura. I live in beautiful Otto Valley. I work for a conservation organization, and I'm an avid backyard trapper. I'm really excited to get a Goodnature A24 installed today. To me, it's important to sort of contribute to science as well as make sure my backyard's awesome for native species. It's not just making the world a little safer for the birds. I'm actually contributing to the knowledge that we have around what kind of predators are where at what time of year. The more people who understand the threats that our native species face from invasive predators, the more that we can work together to solve this problem. And a lot of that is talking about awesome native species, like the birds that hopefully will come visit me from Zealandia, and the insects and lizards that also are affected by predators.